So we just got sent a video from one of our affiliates, Gabriel, who shared a bit of insight into what it's been like to generate over $300,000 as part of his commission. That is not what he generated for the agency, that's his commission as an affiliate with TDM. My name is Liam, CEO here at TDM, and in the last 5 years, we've grown over 100 creators to the top 0.1%. Let's have a little look into the case study. We've made it apparent in the past that we offered a scheme whereby you could become an affiliate for us and generate a heap of revenue from providing traffic to our creators. The reason why it's easier to make money as an affiliate with us than it is to do your own affiliation or your own agency is because we house some of the biggest creators on the platform, and we have some of the most marketable creators producing some of the best content with the best support structure that the industry has to offer. And so repurposing our amazing content or working with our amazing creators is a walk in the park as far as how easy it is to drive traffic in this space. And a lot of you probably looked at that video and thought, oh, well, yeah, it's just a way for them to make money. But I actually wanted to circle back to that video, and I wanted to share with you Gabriel's case study because it really took me back at how amazing it's been for him and the changes to his life, not just in what he's benefited from, but his family, because he's made a hell of a lot of money, to make multiple six figures from just some, affiliate marketing for an OnlyFans agency. It's out of this world, and I think you guys should all benefit from watching it. So we'll cut to that in a second. If you're interested in being a part of it, there is a link in the description to apply for our affiliate scheme, or of course our handles to PM us on Telegram or Instagram or wherever you want to find us, and drop us a message just letting us know that you want to be an affiliate, and we'll get you enrolled. Enjoy the case study. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey guys, I'm Gabriel and I'm one of the top affiliate marketers for TDM. Alright, so TDM asked me to record this quick testimonial video about my experience working with them and how this has essentially changed my life in a lot of different aspects, not only financially, but also freedom in general, I would say. And of course, I couldn't say no. The experience of working with them as an affiliate has been amazing. So to talk a little bit more about me, who I am, as I said, I'm Gabriel. I'm 27 years old. I started doing this or getting into the OFM space about 2 years ago, I think. I started having my own little agency, managing a couple of models with a partner that I had and my brother. And it was doing okay, I was making a lot of money for that time, for the amount of money that I used to make at the beginning, But there were a lot of things that I didn't like. I didn't like the hassle of having to manage the models, all the struggle that comes with that. A lot of the models are pretty, temperamental. They generate a lot of issues out of nowhere. They don't like to work. So that's a thing that I didn't like that much, banking issues, chatting issues with the employees, with the chatters that I had. So at some point, I reached out to Charlie from TDM because I knew them from the chatting services that they offer. I looked for them online and they figured out that they had a YouTube channel and that they also had an agency. They were and they still are one of the biggest OFM agencies in the UK. I texted Charlie and asked him if I could, just help him and the agency with marketing, and he wanted to give it a try and see how it would go. Me promoting one of the models that they got and getting a commission cut from it. And I did. I started doing Reddit for them. It went super well. Then we started doing Instagram. It went super well as well. And here we are. I don't know if I already mentioned this, but I'm from Venezuela. And things there are not that good in all aspects. So coming from that to where I am at the moment, being essentially financially free, being able to invest in a lot of different things, buy the things that I want to buy, and set myself up for success when it comes to money. This is all thanks to TDM, So the least I can say is thank you. And the least I can say to you is that you should give this a try. I've generated over 300K in profits out of the money that I generate for TDM, this has been a life-changing opportunity in general. You know, I've been able to look after my family, not able to retire them entirely to my parents, but I'm on my way. But at least I could afford to bring them to Europe with me, to Spain, to have a little trip and enjoy some of the fruits of my labor with them. So yeah, the experience with them has been amazing. I can only say good things about TDM and all the work that they do. And if you're an affiliate marketer, or if you just have an agency, you got the marketing skills, but you don't want to deal with the model issues, chatting and all that, and you're thinking just go all in on marketing and get a commission and that's it, and have the freedom that I have of just working a couple of hours a day and just enjoy life in general and invest the money on some other things. As I said, really consider this and give it a try. At least give it a try. I'm sure you will like it.